close, Evie.
Abby, do you want a 6 go?
See how their clothes match?
No.
Paige,
there's another one.
I know, but I don't know where it is. The yellow one is gone. Somewhere. Go ahead, let it roll down.
I'll do all 3 at the same time.
Okay. Grammy, get those away from here, please.
Okay, I'm gonna hit it away. Okay, I do it
Thank you.
right here.
Thank you. That's very nice. Thank you. That's good. Here they go, Evie. Wow. She likes this guy here.
Do you like
And she likes the bell.
And we're inside the tent, and we're inside the doctor tent. I'm calling it doctor tent because it has a little mark.
Like a doctor?
Yeah. It has a mark, so I call it a doctor tent.
Okay, get that away from Evie right now, please. Thank you. Okay.
You have to trace it with 2 fingers. Now you go down and then take I'm going to do it this way.
Here comes the blue one. Here comes the blue one, Evie. Woo!
We're gonna do this one here. Don't go yet.
Here, I'll